viewers of Grstalks. So this is Sundeep Saradhi Kanthety, an educational YouTuber. So I just want to share my success story in this Grstalks. So last few days, this Rajshekhar have contacted me, and he just want to share my success story in his channel. So that's why I'm just giving a brief introduction, and then followed by the success story, why I have created this channel and everything. So this is Sundeep Saradhi, and creating videos, technical videos like C programming, Java, Python, and all the engineering subjects, right? So basically I am from Machilipatnam, and I am working as an assistant professor in the Lekkireddy Balreddy College of Engineering, and my father having a business, and my mother is a housewife, and now I'm staying at Mylavaram itself. So I have started my teaching career in 2006, and I have been working in this teaching profession from 2006 to till date. And in 2016, actually, I am supposed to teach the C programming language for one batch of students in LBRCE. So where I got a very less percentage, pass percentage is very less, around it's 35%. So I got I just got depressed while seeing that pass percentage for my subject. So many of the students have failed in the subject. So in that time, actually a question arises in my mind that whether I am fit for this teaching profession or not, because I have never seen such drastic low pass percentage for my previous batches from 2006 to it's 2016. So that is the first batch I have seen that it's a very low pass percentage, right? So keep on going discussion in the colleges. So a question arises in my mind whether I have to continue in the teaching profession, because it's a very less percentage, and I am really fit for this job or not. So at the time, so I have discussed the same thing with my colleagues, my friends, and my family members. So, and I got a thought that why not we make videos and share in the YouTube, so that we can know what we are, so how much we can justify our profession, right? So for that sake, in 2016 I have started making videos on computer graphics and C programming, and within the short period, a lot of subscribers and a lot of viewers and a lot of response has been recorded. So which make me more interest towards making videos in the YouTube. So from 2016 and till date, I have uploaded around 364 technical videos of around 17 playlists. That means 17 subjects. So which covers the computer networks, C, C++, Java, computer graphics, Python programming, network security. So I keep on uploading the videos regularly, and I came to know about this Grstalks. So Rajshekhar contacted me and explained about his YouTube channel, that taking the feedbacks from the people, the students who got selected in the campus placement, and that is a very, very, very good idea, because so nowadays it's very difficult to get a job when if the student go outside of the college. So the students have to prove themselves whenever they are inside the college itself. So a lot of students are struggling without knowing the experiences. So for that purpose, so what this Rajshekhar is doing is very good, and it will be helpful for the students. So that getting the feedback from the recruited students, that means placed students, so that will be useful for their juniors and all the remaining upcoming freshers, so that they can prepare well, and they can know what have to be prepared for going to the job, and how they can deliver, and what type of questions we can expect from the fresher. So all such type of questions can be solved by watching the videos on Grstalks, and that is a very good idea. I appreciate Rajshekhar for creating and for his idea. So previously I never seen such type of YouTube channel, so collecting the feedbacks from the recruited students. So I have seen the experience of recruited students in the websites, but in type of video I didn't watch it in the previous channels. So that's very good idea, and I really congratulate Rajshekhar for initiating this and starting this YouTube channel, and hope you will get a success and a more number of subscribers, and particularly it will be more useful for the students who are ready to get the job, right? So subscribe to Rajshekhar YouTube channel, that is Grstalks, and support him, and benefit from the feedbacks from the students, right? So thanks to Rajshekhar for giving me this opportunity, just for sharing my success story in this Grstalks. So thank you very much.